precision and grace. It's like watching a perfectly choreographed dance. These Harriers are swift, smooth, and agile, carving through the space with ease. They're marching up that tarmac. Look at them glide effortlessly, turning corners. If you're thinking of upgrading a daily drive, this is the kind of smooth and powerful ride you can expect. No noise, just pure silent strength.